Welcome to the unboxing and assembly video for Sonosite iLOOK. We're going to show you how to unbox and set up your new Sonosite iLOOK system. Whether you've purchased the system with the dedicated Sonosite stand or just the system alone to mount on your own stand, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's unpack the main system box. Inside, you'll find a fully assembled ultrasound system, including the display, wireless transducer, transducer charger, AC power cord, cable connector, and power brick. If you ordered the system without the stand, you can mount the system using the Vascular MIS-D standard interface with options of 75 by 75mm and 100 by 100mm mounting solutions. The stand will ship in two boxes. Inside the stand box, you'll find the stand column, the column insert, which is a cardboard support piece that is important for assembly and should not be thrown away, the stand base, the stand arm with mount, the tray with handle, the storage container, the cable cover, tools and fasteners including a T-handle wrench, 5 M6 by 30mm screws, 4 for assembly plus 1 spare, and 9 M6 by 15mm screws, 8 for assembly plus 1 spare. Let's assemble the stand. Place the stand column cord wrap side down on the column insert. Note the specific alignment for the column insert. Align the stand base to the stand column using the 2 locator screw heads. Secure the stand base to the stand column using the 4 M6 by 30mm screws and the T-handle wrench. Make sure to fully tighten these screws. Remove any temporary fasteners holding the pre-inserted T-nuts in place. Attach the storage container to the T-nuts using 4 M6 by 15mm screws. Position the storage bin as desired before fully tightening the screws. Tighten the top 2 screws first, adjusting the bottom T-nuts to the appropriate position. The recommended height is 25 cm from the floor to the bottom of the container. Raise the stand upright and lock the wheels. Partially install 2 M6 by 15mm screws about 2/3 of the way into the 2 holes closest to the handle on the bottom of the tray. Then slide the tray over the column, aligning the screws with the slots on the tray bracket. Secure the screws within the slot by pushing the tray flush to the column. Install 2 more M6 by 15mm screws into the second set of holes on the tray and fully tighten all 4 screws. Before attaching the stand arm to the top of the stand, remove the column screw. The screw will have 2 attached washers. Slide the arm down over the column and then replace the screw. When you slide the arm over the column will self-cap. If you can't tighten the screw all the way in, it is likely the arm has not been pushed all the way down. Now let's attach the system to the stand. You will need to have a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver available. Rotate the mount on the stand arm down. There are pre-installed screws on the back of the system that can be used to align to the stand bracket. These may need loosening to be able to slide them into the top slots on the stand mount. Place the system in the stand mount so that the pre-installed screws rest in the slots on top of the stand mount. Attach the 2 M4 by 12mm screws to the bottom holes of the stand mount and tighten all 4 screws securely using a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver. If you purchase the Sonosite iLOOK system without the stand, you can mount it to an alternative appropriate stand using the standard Vascular mount interface on the back of the system. Next, install the power brick. Place the power brick into the holder on the stand and connect the AC power cord to the bottom of the power brick. Run the power brick cable up the side channel of the stand column. Install the cable cover over the cable, pressing firmly until it is flush with the stand column. Start snapping it into place from the top and work your way down. Thread the system cable through the opening between the stand arm and the front cover of the stand arm until the cable connector appears at the bottom of the front cover. Connect the power brick cable to the system cable. Store the cable connector by pushing it towards the stand arm and sliding it up into the opening of the front cover. Plug the AC power cord into a hospital-grade AC mains outlet and ensure the power brick light is on. Place the transducer into the holder to charge it. Allow the system to charge for 4 hours before using it unplugged. When using the battery, keep the AC power cord wrapped around the cord wrap. To turn on the system, press and hold the power button one time on the back of the display. When powering on the system for the first time, follow the startup wizard to configure basic settings. Watch our Configuring the System video for more information. Thank you for watching. Please refer to more Sonosite iLOOK how-to videos online and the system user guide on sonosite.com for more detailed instructions. For any questions or missing components, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.